Okay. 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 So, how was this exercise last which we did? It was about the elements of space. Okay, so it was basically 2D composition which we have done. Now we need to take it forward on the 3D, correct? So, could you people understand what exactly it was, this entire exercise? So let me do one thing. Let me, because I know that a lot of people are confused. A lot of people, they do not know how to go about it. There are some hiccups, and I mean, you have an idea what exactly it is, but probably you want to see how the outcome would be, most likely, if I'm not wrong. Something like that. That's what I can figure out, because some people, the way I'm getting the messages. Just a minute. Huh? What are you saying?
Maybe we should see the assignments that been sent. 3-4 आई हैं, देख लेते हैं एक बार. Maybe they're kind of.
नहीं, मैं पहले दिखा देता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि जो 3-4 आई हैं वो उसके पहले एक बार अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे क्या है, बिकॉज इसी से कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. सो इफ यू रिमेम्बर हाउ वी हैड स्टार्टेड, आपको याद है मैंने क्या बोला था? मैंने बोला था आपकी शेप एक बेसिक शेप है जो आप लेंगे, कुछ ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप है, एंड देन यू मे हैव योर योर इनिशियल ऑफ योर लेटर, करेक्ट? तो इसके बेसिस पे जैसे ये बनाया गया है. ओके, सो एक मिनट. So there is a girl called Isha. So she has done this. Okay, one of my student. Okay, so just understand how this entire thing has got unfolded. So that's how the exploration started, with a pencil, just here and there, and then finally came. So then it was like, out of all these, this got selected, which is the simple one, correct? And why? See, just imagine what was happening. It is like people. She was going all haywire. Can you see that? All you people, and you remember, like I told you, that you need to take the simple one. The reason, because the objective is something else, and which you will be able to understand later. And more you go simpler, it will be easier and beneficial for you. So this was the one which got selected finally out of all these. Can you see that, all you people? And probably you will be able to understand why it has been chosen. So this is the one which has been chosen out of all. Then again, started working on the same. Let's see how the composition looks. So the variation started happening in the same one. ठीक है. Aarti Gupta ma'am, for you, once again, I'm just telling you, okay, because you are not paying attention here.
No.
Just have a look into it. This is the one which was finally got selected out of all these. Can you see that? All these were there, okay? Take it. And out of all these, this was the one which was chosen as a final one. And then this is the one. We took it forward and refined it much more. So in the refinement, we saw like what all we can do if we put the elements in a different direction, different places, overlapping, a composition, a visual composition, some kind of a, like what will be much better. So many explorations were done. And then finally, out of all this is the one which got chosen out of all. Right? Now, again, it got synthesized. This is the final one. Basis on the same. Again, it got more further, refined. Let's see what more can we go up to. And then finally, this is the one which got selected out of the entire thing. So where we started from, we started from here. Can you see? Putting here and there, a lot of things which had started. Okay, then came on to this one. Then again, it got refined. Just keep looking at these. This is the curve, a line, a wall, okay, basically a rectangle. So all these are just 2D shapes as of now, okay? And again, Then it got more synthesized. Again, it got synthesized. If you see that, it's the same one. Got more synthesized, more refined. And then out of all these, the one which got chosen finally was this one, the very first one. This is the one, okay, which is this one, right? So after that, what we did, we took it to the, now this is the two-dimensional. Now you need to give a height to it. Once you start giving the height and the dimension to it, some kind of a thickness to it, to this 2D form, it starts becoming a three-dimensional form. The shape, the shape starts becoming like a form in the three-dimensionality and starts showing some kind of a volume. And then it is not necessary that you have to have the same height. You play around with the height the way you have played around with the width and the length and all that. So you play around with the height as well. So if you see from the top, this is like one line, like one rectangle. Again, it is one rectangle from the top. If you see, okay, this particular one from the top. But if you see now from the uh, I mean, in a three-dimensional view or in a perspective view, then you get to see there is one small height, then there's a bigger height, and other way around is here. Then it is just a play around which is happening. Then again, it got changed out here. Some different kind of a shape which has started coming up. Then again, this got emerged in a different manner altogether. Let's give a more thickness to it, give some depth to it. Then okay, this particular element, can we connect it with some kind of an element out here? So this connecting bridge started coming in. So what is happening? It is playing around with the form. It's a playing around with the same elements because you need to have some starting point. You need to have some starting point. Based on that, you take it forward, right? So see the first draft, second draft, then the third and the final draft. Again, it is supposed to be a final, but probably it will be more worked out. Let's see how it comes up as. Then what had happened after this, whatever it is, whatever the shape is up. Now what happens, this particular which you see in front of you, what is it? If I ask you to give a name to it, or if I ask you to give the second draft, if I ask you to give a name to it, what name or what association you might give it to it? I can say, if I were you, I would say it is a very fancy kind of a tabletop for me. Okay, or maybe Swarnima would like to say maybe it's a very fancy kind of a paperweight. Okay, a very fancy paperweight, which is of this size. Okay, just maybe 3 inches by 3 inches kinds. But at the same time, maybe Aarti S would like to say that this is maybe a curation center, some kind of a curation center, or maybe it's some kind of a library. Okay, maybe Jasween will say that it is some kind of a market or something. Okay, anything you can. Now what is happening in this? All of us, we are having a different comprehension, and we all are right at this point of time because there is no scale which has been given out here. The moment I will put a scale out here, okay, the moment I will say that my human figure is this, then what Aarti S was saying or Jasween was saying was correct. Can you see that blue thing which I'm showing you there? So that is my human scale probably, right? So due to the scale, human scale, suddenly that space started behaving in a different manner. But if I say sorry, what you see is this is my hand. Hand means this palm. This is the size of my palm, the blue thing, that entire blue box which you are seeing. Okay, so if I say this is my palm and these are my fingers, like if I put my fingers like this, maybe. Okay, sorry, I can't Okay, so if I say this is the size of my palm, so suddenly this space looking very, very small. Actually, it is very small now as compared to my palm. So what I was saying, or what Swarnima was saying, that it was a paperweight. Yeah, we are right, aren't we? So what has happened? It's a game of a scale. It is the proportion. It is the scale which is telling us that how big or small the space is. So why is it so important for us to understand the scale and proportion? Because in the interiors or in any of the uh, field of a design where the space is coming into the play, the three-dimensional space, it actually becomes much more essential for us. To meter, feet to inches, inches to millimeter. How do you do the conversion, the unit conversion? It should be very fast. It should be on your back of your hand, and more quicker, more uh, hold you have on these dimensions and the scale and the proportion, much better it's for you while you are designing a space, especially for the ID team I'm talking about. Okay, so let's go to the next. So if this is the kind of a final draft, that's what student has said. So now she says, my this space is going to be a museum. That's what she says. And she's trying to project that space as a museum. That it has got installation, performance, interactive arts, new media, all blah, 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 pictures, something or the other will be happening. Then she took it immediately to the SketchUp or the 3D Max, whichever one is comfortable with 3D Max. Then exploration starts in the same. Because still here, it's with the hand. So you get more or less an idea how your space will be behaving. But software will give you more realistic picture, because now you can change your views, you can rotate your views, so you can see in totality the entire thing. So you're not restricted to only just one view. Okay, so then she started putting it, so she did this. Okay, and after that students started doing this. Okay, then started again exploring further. If what if I do something like that, what if I do something like that, connecting bridge or something, then they might, this is some kind of a geodesic dome which has come, and it is some kind of a display area, it is some kind of art installation. Okay, so again getting more and more synthesized. Now see how this space started behaving. Can you see the human figure there? Now due to this human figure, the entire space behaving in very differently now. Do you agree with me? Now see the view. Now see the first view, human eye view. I mean, that's the eye view if I'm talking about. Okay, something which was like just 2D, one pencil, some curves which were put onto the, or some geometric figures which were put onto the paper. Now it has taken a different shape altogether. Now we can clearly visualize it's a 3D space. Look at the scale. So this is like one good example. I can tell you, maybe we can have some more. Uh, okay. So I guess this is Puja, if I'm not wrong. Puja, yes, I was correct. Have a look into it. The very first thing which you people had done, right? So just have a look into it, how this complex thing she was doing earlier. Okay, then all these then started getting into all this, refining. then doing much more explorations, much more treatment, visual treatment, how this entire composition will take place. Okay, so then finally, this is a kind of a final composition which had come on the right hand side. This is the one on the right side. And taking that further, it got more simplified. So earlier, which was like small, then again, it became a little bigger. This line got more smaller, right? Then little overlapping. RTS, what do you say? How's it looking now? Okay, so after doing this final composition, which got selected final, this is the one which has been selected. Now go to the next, giving the height or the dimensions to it, some three-dimensionality. Then check it out. Further got refined. So what is happening? All these are elements of space, which I was talking about. So it has got rectangular, it has got triangular, it has got circular shapes, all these, but with the thickness, with the height, with the volume into it. And finally, then she came up to this. She started from there and how she's come up to this level. Can you see that? Took it forward and she said that I will conceive this space as a restaurant. A restaurant come experiential center. And that's what she said, like, from this point of view, if I'm here in my key plan, so if I see from here what I'm going to see. So she's inside and she's drawn that. If she sees from here what she's going to see, bird eye view. This is the bird eye view. 2-point perspective with a bird eye view. Then inside that round thing, which you can see, what she, like from the top you will be seeing as a round, but inside what she has done, she said, okay, let me, instead of giving the round, I will make it as a canopy or something, you know, some kind of a, I don't know, it's, as I said, it's an experiential center. So that's what she's done. Now she took it immediately after doing this hand drawn. This is the hand drawn one, the one which you see. Okay, this is all hand drawn. Okay, and then she took it immediately to the 3D Max or SketchUp or any of the modeling software. And that's how the scale is behaving now. So she has done all these, you know, like trees and this pavement and, you know, some wooden flooring underneath. It is some kind of a dome sort of thing. It is some parking or whatever you call it as. Then this is the connecting bridge and there's some restaurant. I mean, that's what she has conceived it as. So people, they can stand, they can enjoy this area. This entire thing is a restaurant underneath. Right? So let's see one more example and then probably we'll see that what this. So I mean, what are the possibilities I'm talking about in this case, you know? So probably okay, see, this is, I guess, Kritika here, Kritika. Again, see, the very basic which you guys were doing so far. I mean, which the way you people had started off, right? So imagine, so I mean, it happens to everyone, like everyone starts off with a complex complexity, correct? I remember Swarnima, you remember that you were doing so many, like all these kind of things. And I was telling you, make it more simplify, simplify it. I did not answer you because I know that you were asking. I did not answer you. You remember that? I'm very prompt at answering, but I did not. Deliberately, I did not answer to anyone because there was no point. You will never be able to understand if I keep aise karo, waise karo. Better you see it. So I was waiting for this. So that's how it is. See the complexity on the left-hand side. And then something, the one which got selected, okay, out of all these, the most complex one this is. Can you see? And this girl's name is Kritika. So she has taken K. Can you see that this K? K is coming somewhere. K is coming here. Can you see? K is also being shown out here. K. Can you see my cursor, all you people? Then K is coming here as well. So then later on, it got like, okay, you do one, the first one. Okay. She was asked to do this, work on this first one. Then she started working on the first one. And see this, what is happening here? She started doing more and more refinement into it because she understood what the final outcome we are looking at. So it needs to be refined much more. Then again, she was getting stuck with this curve thing, right? She said it was getting too much. And finally, she came up to this. She said, no, I think I should be sticking with this. Like I should be refining it in a much more better manner, which is in my control. And that's what she had come up with. And then she immediately took it to the 3D by giving the dimension to it, height and the width. Then the drafts started making key plan. Exploratorium. This is something kind of a museum to explore, so-called planetarium, exploratorium, whatever you call it. Some fancy words, which is more of a scientific term. Look at this. There's a dish antenna on the top. Looks like very futuristic kinds. It's like one antenna on the top, and there is a dimension which has been given. What should be the dimension? 68 point this feet, 44 feet, whatever XYZ. Let's see, 30 feet, 15 feet. So now you check out the scale. With the scale, with respect to the scale, the height and everything has been given. 8.5 feet would be the gate height, or how do you enter? I mean, that's a separate part, but at least outer world, how it is going to be. Then you get into the nitty-gritties later on. But at least that's what it is supposed to be. And now see, there's some kind of a helicopter, some chopper, something which has been put across a huge dish antenna. That's it. So now, wait a minute. Okay. So what do we get out of this? First of all, we need to understand, why are we doing this exercise? That's very much important for me to know from you people, that why are we doing this? Anyone?
To understand how the space behaves in different like situations, how the objects are placed accordingly.
Okay. Anything else?
So when you work with a simple space, it is easy, but to work with a complex design, to understand that part, where we would go wrong if the design is complex. So where we would put all the right elements and how we would space it.
Okay, fine. You are partially right, partially not wrong. Not wrong, but partially you're right, I would say. I would not say that you're partially wrong, but partially you're right, I would rather say. Okay. Why? I will tell you a little later. Anyone else? RTS?
Sir, combination of space and a form.
Okay, fine. Combination of space and form. Okay, fine. RTS.
So maybe simple forms, what we have, like basic shapes, basic elements like lines, those can also come up with a nice composition when we put things in the right manner and give dimensions to it, and space management becomes much easier with simple things, but it becomes difficult when you have to apply certain compositions to it, like applying height, as we see, like what we were facing while doing, like, you know, it can get little complicated, but if you to see through the space management concept, it becomes little easier to, you know, like if you have been given a planned area and if you have been empty space, I think that difference will be easier to do this. I think in that way.
Okay. I think Swati, you want to say something?
No, I was seeing how a two-dimensional shape is getting transformed into a 3D space,
Okay.
and how there is even a shape can be broken into different forms, and that once given a depth, it becomes like a part of a bigger space, like a composition, in fact. So giving a height is actually giving a lot of detail and depth into the whole composition. So now I see that my assignment is totally wrong, and how the person has stick to that A5 size inside which the shapes are playing around, and not it's going out of the A5. It is in that particular
Defined area.
defined
Defined
area.
area. Okay.
Within that is moving around and broken shapes of letters, and
Okay.
how, you know, once it's given an elevation, it's very looking very futuristic forms and geometric, like origami shapes and all. So that's actually
Okay.
interesting.
Okay, so see, right now you are saying futuristic and all because you have seen those kind of assignments, but actually it's not the futuristic. You will say that how the elements which were just two-dimensional, okay, which were like just lines, shapes, which were put onto the two-dimensional surface on the paper, correct? Suddenly they started behaving absolutely differently the moment there was a volume given to it, right? And so it is what it is again it's a graphic design only. In the graphic design, it's a two-dimensional shapes, okay, which come into the play and which are arranged in the space, okay, which is two-dimensional space once again. But here uh, what we are doing, the spatial design is an art of doing the three-dimensional graphics. Spatial design is an art of three-dimensional graphics. Again, you are having elements and how you are putting them together, combining with each other, extracting from one another, you know. So all this comes under the play of this particular exercise, okay, spatial design or elements of space, understanding that. Now, the most important why it was so essential for me at this point of time, why I want to tell you this, minded that you people are the faculty of foundation, okay, so just keep yourself absolutely away out of your discipline at this point of time, right? So you are dealing with the students who are in the foundation. They are going to take the discipline after 2 months, 3 months, whatever, XYZ. So that time I have not spoken about any, not even I, of interior design, right? I have not. This exercise is completely to make student comfortable with the scale, with the proportion, okay, and with the elements. So what happens? Student, he or she gets sensitized towards looking at the space. When he goes through this exercise, so whenever he goes out, wherever, maybe in some kind of a movie theater, hall, complex, shopping complex, or wherever, you know, mall. So then he will start seeing things in a different manner altogether. His eye will get glued there in those areas. That probably how it must have started. It must have started with some kind of a thought. Design starts from a thought, and that's what it is. At just one line, one shape, it must have been put, and how the multiple shapes which came into the play, and then they started extracting this kind of form out of it. And finally, we are having this, what we are seeing today. Right? So this is the main reason that we need to sensitize student first towards the elements, the space, the proportion, and the scale. And later on, he or she will bring the beautification, okay, in the space. So if you remember, while we were doing the composition part, okay, making the poster or whatever, prior to that, we had gone through the some kind of a principles, right? The graphics principles and Gestalt theory to so many things, typography as well. So those were the backbones. Those were like elements of the graphic design, ingredients, I would rather say. So similarly, this exercise, which I'm telling you, this is the ingredient or the basic or the elements of the spatial design. Once a person does this and gets comfortable, student gets comfortable with this exercise, with the scale, proportion, and the elements, then he can take it forward as per his or her own choice. Someone might do the retail space later on. Someone might do the curation centers. Someone might do the commercial places, be the offices or whatever. Or someone will get into the space, the set design, or someone will get into the exhibition design. There are so many areas. But the basic DNA remains the same, that he will have to play around only with the scale, proportion, and the elements. Okay. So are we agreeing on this fact today?
Yes.
All you people, thumbs up karo. Yeah. Great. Fantastic. And now you need to reassess yourself. अब एक बार definitely I will be seeing it, okay? But जैसे who said, Swati has said कि नहीं यार मेरे को लग रहा है मैं गलत हूँ, like. तो ऐसे ही now most of you people will definitely be understanding कि हाँ यार I think I've taken very complex shape. Swarnima, am I right now? I know. Because what happens, Santa, you can mute yourself off, okay? So yeah, Swarnima.
Yes, sir, actually I tried that complex shapes also, and I made that too. But then I didn't realize that time what is going to be the end result. Now I know, like, you know, where we are heading actually. So
correct.
So it's clear.
Yeah. So what happens that with the complex shapes also you can make, like you can extract the space out of complex shapes.
Yeah,
Not that you cannot, but at this that takes a lot of proficiency in the same. That is a later part. That's a later stage. You know, it's better to start off with the simpler and then getting into the complexity. Okay. So one can do that. So like Hussain Doshi Gufa, if you talk about that, so that's quite a complex one, but very nicely executed. Okay. Then IIM Ahmedabad, if you see that, that's again a very complex yet very simple, okay, and yet very interesting to look at. It's beautifully done. It's very nice. IIM Ahmedabad's campus, the building which has been made, it's I mean, fantastic to look at. Okay. So anyway, we will do one thing. We'll just go one by one with your exercise and let's see what we can come up with, and let's see. Okay. Okay, so Misha. Where is Misha?
Sir, good evening.
Very good evening, Misha.
We can't see your screen.
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, good. I mean, I can see some kind of a shape which is coming up. I mean, Okay. If I were you, I would have taken that जो M के ऊपर जो जा रहा है ना, that the curve which is going up, instead of taking it as a narrow at the end, I would have it as a one thickness. It's like, you know, you are making your wall thickness wala. ठीक है?
Right.
ठीक है, so उसको एक बार देखा जा सकता है, and then what we will be doing, taking out some kind of a windows out of it, some kind of scooping out of these areas.
Correct.
Okay, maybe some doors, scooping, some windows, or maybe some kind of a curve, maybe a round, some kind of hollow thing which is going through and through types. So let's see how it behaves then.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then what we can do in this one, then you can have a ramp somewhere. You can have some kind of a small staircase somewhere if you want to put a scale. But unless and until you put a scale, nothing is going to be conceived the way you want that to be happening. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the one.
Yes.
Okay. तो अभी इसको अभी क्या है मेरे को हाउ मेनी अभी आपने एक तो मेरे को दिखा दिया पॉसिबल फॉर मी टू सी एटलीस्ट 3 to 4.
Okay.
Okay, taking this as a final one. Okay, so आपका जो ये वाला है this particular thing, make it as 1.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay, make it as 1. You understood now what I'm saying? And somewhere this which is going inside ना ये थोड़ा सा बहुत disturb कर रहा है मेरे को ये वाला जो है ना ये this thing. Can you see that?
Yeah. So I'll make a separate identity.
हाँ नहीं you do one thing ना, you do one thing. Why are you doing like this? इसको छोड़ ही दो, इसको यहाँ से एक मिनट हटा दो, 1 मिनट के लिए ना. Just cut it off from here. Okay.
Okay.
Cut it off from here. Don't make it merged with the M. Okay. If you really want this curve to be happening, just make it somewhere here on this one.
Okay.
Okay. ऐसे करके इधर कर दो इसको. Let's see what happens. So it is a separate thing by its own. It is a good identity. ठीक है अपने आप में. और इस वाले को जो ये कटा हुआ है ना इसको यहाँ से हटा के straight कर दो.
अच्छा. Okay.
Okay. So because this is looking थोड़ा अजीब सा, इसको सिर्फ straight कर दो.
ठीक है.
ठीक है, done?
Yeah.
So we can do that.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो ऐसे ही मेरे को you do one thing. Once you, so this is the final one for you, and then you start scooping out, as I told you, get windows, doors, or some, window door in the sense you don't have to give the frame into it. It's just a cutout.
Niche.
Niche. It's just a niche. Okay, you don't have to make the detailing of कि उसके अंदर वो ऐसे फूल पत्तियां बन रहा है, वो नहीं है. ठीक है? No need.
Okay.
Right? And then let's see what it how it works. And definitely put a scale, human scale. It's very much essential.
Okay, I'll do that.
ठीक
Should
है?
I do that in software?
You can do it in the software. You can do it with the hands, whichever way you want. Okay, it's all up to you.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, next. Swati.
No, sir. I didn't stick to a defined space. So that's the first thing that I noticed when we were showing student work.
No, that's okay. That's absolutely fine. I can make it as we can fix it up right now. That's not an issue.
Okay. And I started with ink, but my ink was making the paper very soggy. Then I switched to software.
I can't hear you. There's some kind of a sound coming in the
Hello,
background.
can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah, I started with ink, but the paper was getting very soggy with the ink. So I moved on to software later on.
No worries.
This is an ink.
Okay, good. Now, okay, so all these you have made. Swati, that's very good. I mean, Misha, I want you to do a lot of more explorations. Okay, please. एक अच्छा, I know that you do a final one very good. लेकिन थोड़ा उसको पहुंचने के लिए ना आपको एक process के साथ दिखाना पड़ेगा कि that's how you have reached it. Okay, थोड़ा और करना है इसमें explorations. ठीक है?
Sir, are these right?
No. It's not the question of right and wrong. It's a question of first आप एक बार करो तो सही पता तो लगे. अभी देखो, you tell me, you have seen the exercises, like how it is, what you have come up with. So will you be ever taking this, or will you be ever taking this?
No, they are very complicated.
Will you be?
No.
So suddenly the perception has immediately, it has been changed, completely changed perception, right? And that exactly the intention is out here.
Okay.
That how to make things more simpler.
Yes. So
if I were you, I would rather go something with this kind of, something like this. I mean, minus this, okay, minus this. Then I will bring some other element out here and I will only take this much of a portion.
Yeah. That looks very possible, yeah. There's a potential,
so only this much of a portion I will take. I mean, from here, if you see my cursor, from here to here.
Yeah.
This is the potential. So you are having this wall, maybe this is a round
Yeah.
amphitheater kind of a thing. Again, there's a
Yeah.
wall amphitheater, or if not the amphitheater, maybe it is a scooping down underneath, which is going like a well. Okay.
Yeah.
And this can be your like a pyramid shape going up as a cone, and there you can have a pillars. Okay, one
Or,
pillar, maybe one pillar out here as well, thin pillar.
or the
Okay.
circle can be a raised platform also. No?
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
a-
that precise. You
yeah.
can do anything.
Yeah,
You can do
yeah.
anything. You can have like
Okay.
a Sir Herbert Baker who has made this our Vidhan Sabha, okay, the Delhi wala Sansad Bhavan. So it is. If you see from the top, it's completely round.
Hmm.
But if you see from the front, it is all built on the onto the pillars.
Okay.
Inside the pillar, then you are having other arrangement.
Yeah.
So I mean, possibilities are immense, but at least the basic shape first needs to be understood. Then you get into the nitty-gritties of the same
Yes.
inside.
Yes.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
So out of all these, it is good for your, the composition. Okay. But now suddenly you have chosen this. Now you need to work on this as a final one. So mark it,
Okay.
make at
Yeah.
least 4 to 5. Okay. Take
So-
it to the 3-dimensional. Yeah, tell me.
So from this, taking from this, we have to make a lot of variations with this.
So you do one thing. Okay. You, with this one, you make at least 3
Okay.
to 4. Okay.
Okay.
Because it should not be taking much, because it's 2D composition only as of now. Okay.
Okay.
So once you take that, you send it to me. Okay.
Okay.
If possible, tonight itself, you send it to me. Don't go
Okay.
for tomorrow or tomorrow
Okay.
morning latest. And then send it to me. I will say, choose this one. And then you straight work on the 3-dimensional of the same.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
This is the only way. Take it?
Okay. Okay.
Because we are one class behind from the schedule.
Okay. Yes.
Right. So we need to
Okay.
catch it up.
Okay, sir. Yeah, I will send it to you.
Okay.
Okay.
And then, right. That's good. Good exploration, good hard work. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Good.
So so the furniture and the room, how are these two related? I understand there is a depth that we are giving for the measurements for all the objects that we have clicked. How are they both connected?
No, I did not get your question. You are saying how furniture is connected with what?
No, we did the second part of the assignment. No, are we not discussing about that right now? We are just concentrating on composition.
You had the second part as well? Sorry.
No, there's this furniture measurements and room measurements.
Okay. Oh, wait. Hang on. Was that part of this only? Just a minute. I think I saw something. Achha, it was yours.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
I've just done them.
Yes. I think last time I spoke about it. Did I or did I not?
Monday I wasn't there, so maybe I missed out.
Okay. Correct. Okay, I will tell you what is it. While you were doing it, okay, while you were taking the dimensions, I don't know whom I spoke to. Last, I think did I speak about this or did I not? I'm not sure.
Yes, sir, you spoke to me.
I spoke to someone in this.
To me,
okay,
sir, Sandra.
Correct. So basically, what is that? Okay, the furniture is, while you are taking the dimension of it, first of all, idea was to get you accustomed with the dimensions.
Okay.
You are from ID or you are from FD?
FD.
FD, okay. So FD people and ID people, they both have a different way of understanding of the scale because of their specialization, of course. Okay. You talk about, you talk to me what should be what is this Excel size, small size, medium size? Okay, that will be, I mean, you actually tell me about what is the mm kinds or what is the inches kind. But in my case, but for the people who are from the ID, they are much more accustomed what is the square foot and what is the area, height, feet and inches. So both of them are different,
Yeah.
So what idea was to make you more sensitized towards the 3-dimensional objects. It is not just the croquis, it is not just about the draping, it is something beyond, which is 3-dimensional. So once you are having the tape in your hand, so you get to see what is how the centimeter is related with the inch, because at the back there is an inch. So what centimeter, how much is the centimeter, how many centimeters make 1 inch? Or how many mm make 1 inch? So it is a kind of a ratio with which you will be able to check the furniture. In case you do not have the scale, and visually if you have to measure, how will you measure it?
Okay. Yeah.
But to get into that measurement, visual measurement, first you need to understand the physical measurement.
Yeah.
Okay, like I will give you an example. Suppose when I say you wrote down 370.
There's a T by mistake. It's
No,
370
that's
mm.
no, I know that it's a 370 mm, right?
Yeah.
And then it is 210 mm. Correct.
Yeah.
So when you say 210 mm and when you say 370 mm, so what exactly does it mean? Or if I say this your room size where you have shot this image, that area is approximately your 80 square feet area. So what does that mean to you
So
when I say 80 square feet?
You understand the scale of the two objects. Like it's in a bigger space, there's a smaller object.
I don't know. I mean, what comes to your mind the moment I will say 80? The moment I say 80 square feet area.
It's visually you get to feel the space like bigger space.
No, but if I say 800 square feet area, then what happens?
But that's even bigger, no, sir.
No, but bigger is what? What is the scale? Because see,
yeah, okay.
What is the scale? I say I will say I'm sitting out here, and by seeing you from here, I say you would be approximately 5 feet 5 inches or 5 feet 4 inches height.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know whether I'm right or wrong, but I do not. But all I'm saying that this will be your height. So what is the measure for me? I've got some kind of a visual reference with which I'm saying that it would be your height, perhaps.
Yeah.
And Swarnima is taller than you. Correct? So that taller will be, again, what is happening, there's some visual clues which I'm getting from both of you. Okay, na? So these are the clues which determines our understanding of the objects, its dimension, the space measurements and all. But that happens with the practice, over the period of practice. But first of all, you need to have the exact understanding what is the scale like. Now you say 210 mm. What exactly does it mean? 210 mm is what?
It's 21 centimeter, which is.
I can't hear you. You're echoing very badly. Can you just remove your whatever? I mean.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, you're audible. Much more clearer now. Tell me.
Yeah. So it's centimeter is something which you can relate with because you see a ruler which is centimeter, regular measurement. So I would relate it to centimeter. My mentally I will convert it to centimeter and I know how long it will be. So 21
no,
mm.
Centimeter. So even if it is an mm, how does it matter? It's just a matter of 1 0. It means you slash 1 0. It just slash 1 0. Just slash 1 0. Immediately it comes. But at least you are communicating yourself to someone. If anyone says it's 21 and 210 is mm, so what? How does it matter?
Yeah, it's the same. Yeah.
It is. But what is it? How big it would be when I say 21 centimeter?
So as in.
Correct. Don't worry. As in means, yeah, precisely as in. I'm coming to that as in. Okay, that's what I want to hit upon. What is that? As in. So what happens? Everyone takes some kind of a visual clue. Everyone has got different criteria or the measurement of visual measurement with which he or she relates any dimension to. Like I will tell you, my this end, okay, end of this hand. I don't know where is my. Yeah, by this end, this and this. Okay, this is exactly 8 inches.
Okay.
Exactly 8 inches. So this is my one visual clue. Okay. Second clue is my door, which is in front of me. So in the house, 99% door are of 7 feet height. Okay. Third happens to be, which I'm sure you have gone through it, so-called the anthropometry and the ergonomics. Okay. You must have gone through it. Okay. So third happens to be the chair where I'm sitting. Across in India across, it is going to be 1.5 feet where you sit, where you rest your back. Okay, not this back, but the bottom. Okay, so that is 1.5 feet, and the table where I'm sitting, where the dining table or writing table, that is 2.5 feet. The desk, because of our body, this is the point where our body, no matter how tall and small we are, this is the point where we sit, where we rest, which becomes like a universal dimension for all of us. Okay, so visual clue is there. Now if I talk about this 8 inches, 8 inches is what? Now this 8 inches happens to be, my 1 inch is approximately, I will say 25 mm. 1 inch is roughly is 25 mm. So 4 inches would be 100 mm. 8 inches would 8 inches would be 200 mm. So this is 8.25 mm. 8.25 inches, the one which is 210 mm. The one which you see there, 210 mm, is little above 8 inches. So 8 inches is by this. So I'll say, okay, ये थोड़ा सा इससे थोड़ा सा बड़ा है इतना. So this is my, so I've got a visual clue. Okay, so ये it will be something like this. This. So in the air, I'm making the sketch. Now you got it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So that's how it happens. So you need, that's what it is to be made understood, people, the scale. Otherwise I've seen, I mean, yes, I was going through a jury or whatever. Okay, so the student did not even know, said, sir, the door size is 8 inches. I said 8 inches. Yeah, 8 inches, because she was not accustomed to the 8 inch. What is 8 inches? She said, no, it is this big. No, it is this big. Then she said, this is around 8, it will be around 12 inches. This big, 12 inches. It's quite a small door, but it is 12 inches. So why she could not be confident? The reason, because she was not aware of these scales. So you give the macro picture to the student and then you get into the micro level. So this furniture was to make you understand the scale, the measurement, okay, how big or small it is, so that you get accustomed with the scale. Okay, so that's what the exercise is all about. Now you see 200 mm. What is 200 mm? 300 mm is equal to 1 foot. 300 approximately. 300 mm is equal to 1 foot. Simple. By 4 inch is equal to 100 mm. 8 inch is equal to 200 mm. So 12 inch is equal to 300 mm. And 12 inch is equal to 1 foot scale, right? Correct. So when I'm saying 300 is equal to 1 foot, okay, 300 mm, and see what is written there down, which is 2000 mm. So 3 multiplied, how many times? 6 times is equal to 1800 mm. The one thing is for sure, it is bigger than 6 feet. 6 feet. How bigger it is? 6 feet is 1800 mm. More than that, 100, which is 4 inches, again more, 4 more. It is 2000, so it is 6 feet 8 inches. Now, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
So that's how we do, conversion. That's how it happens.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, thank you, sir. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so this is the purpose of the exercise.
Okay.
Making you aware of the scale, and the second thing, proportion, both.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, so yeah, thank you.
Chalo, great. Pooja.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Pooja, you're there? Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
So Pooja, what do you think? This one you will take it?
Yeah, this is Monday's assignment. Monday I was not there.
Achha, anyway, but today, since we have gone through those presentations in the beginning, so did you get something out of it?
I got it.
You got it. So if I ask you to choose
sir,
any of the composition, to take it forward, which one will you take it?
Yeah.
Out of this? Did you see today's presentation? What had happened? You understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, I got it. It had to be more simpler, like little bit simpler. These
Okay,
have
and
become too complex.
okay, so you agree with this fact that this is complex. This is also
Yes, yes,
complex,
yes, yes.
right? And this is also complex, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So do you think
Yeah.
this will be much better for you to work upon?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because this is much more better and
Yeah.
controllable as well.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Character?
Yes.
Okay. So you can work on this.
Yeah. This is that perspective. I tried it little freehand.
No, that's fine, but
First I did that and then did it. Not that still perfect, but I tried. This is, I wanted to show that sketching also. Like, I was trying what you have taught. Let me show you what I am doing. Is it
don't
right?
worry, don't worry. There's a last day which I've kept for you people. Okay, that last day will be only for this. So far, whatever X, Y, Z, right from the beginning, politics to the economics to anything, whatever you want to speak to me. Okay, that last day is only for that, nothing else. With your all the assignments,
sir.
everything I will take it there. Okay, so not now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, this is somewhat which I was
Yes,
looking
sir.
at.
Little tail. Mhm.
Hmm.
Mhm.
This is not the purpose. Actually, purpose of this assignment which I'd given was something else. I just wanted to show you the two-dimensional, I mean, two-point perspective, and then how do you take the scale, where do you put your window, the door. So with reference to the height of that cube which you will take as a room, how much would be the width of the window or the door or the height. So you will get to understand that scale on the larger aspect, okay, in the macro level. Right now, it is more of a micro detailing which you are getting into, switches and that ledge curve, that thickness. I mean, that is not the you're focusing there. You're missing the larger picture which I wanted. That's what the whole purpose of that exercise was, and why it was essential. So everything is getting connected with each other. The exercise which I had given to you, okay, was precisely for the same reason, the one which I showed you today. And that how do you conceive the three-dimensional space? Because these 2D elements, you have to give the dimensionality to it now, right? So then if you are good at cube, drawing of the cube, extracting the elements out of a cube, then it will be easier for you to put it down in the space the way I showed you today.
Yes.
Okay, na? So the purpose was something else. Not this is just a corner. It is good for the ID people. It is good for the interior design people while students are in their specialization. This kind of a thing. Okay? I mean, this is okay, but that is more of a specialization. May I come in, sir?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Amy, okay.
सर आपने ऊपर मेरा छोड़ दिया है.
मैंने देखा ही नहीं, मैं दोबारा देख लूंगा. No worries.
ऊपर गया, छोड़ दिया.
अभी इसके बाद देख लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
These are complex, but I made one. I simplified one, and I've made. Yeah, this is the simplified one.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
And उसको थोड़ा height and width दिया है.
नहीं ऐसे मत करो इसको. इतना भयानक तरीके से height and width मत दो.
Okay, okay.
ठीक है. This is the जसवीन क्या बोलते हो आप ये वाली height and width के लिए?
ये वाला? It's looking like a, we have a fountain like this in Chandigarh. हमारा प्लाजा में एक बहुत अच्छा fountain है.
हाँ नहीं ये पता क्या एमी दिस इज मोर ऑफ आप जो कर रहे हो ना ये वाला दिस मोर लुक्स लाइक एन आर्ट इंस्टॉलेशन काइंड्स, ठीक है,
Sculpture लग रहा है.
Okay.
स्कल्पचर टाइप का, ठीक है. आइडिया इज टू मेक द स्पेस. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. द स्पेस
Yes,
कैसे बने
yes.
अभी.
Now I understood. Yeah.
Now you're getting me, na? I hope that
Yeah,
after showing the presentation, you know how where we are heading towards, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah,
So
yeah.
not so now what you can do, you don't have to make it, so claustrophobic out here. Maybe you would
Yeah.
like to have one here, थोड़ा सा अलग रख के, yet maybe one or two elements are, crossing each other types. ऐसे कुछ कर सकते हो थोड़ा सा, ठीक है
Yeah,
ना?
yeah. Yeah, yeah,
Right?
yeah. Yes.
अभी clear है? Is it clear? Much more
Yes,
clearer
yes.
to you now?
Yeah, yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Great, fantastic. तो करो उसको, आप इसी वाले को ले लो, ठीक है? Take this one
हाँ.
only. But now make 3 to 4 explorations, okay?
Yeah, I'll make a few variations and then I'll
हाँ.
check which one is like,
हाँ.
better. I'll send you the pic.
Please send me the picture.
Yeah.
Immediately I will say this is the one, go ahead on the 3-dimensional,
Yes.
on the
yes.
space one, because Monday then I would like to see the 3-dimensional spaces of you people
Yes.
all, ठीक है?
Yeah. Yes.
मतलब इतना टाइम नहीं है कि हम लोग फिर अभी इसको करेंगे, फिर उसमें 4 में से फिर उस दिन ढूंढेंगे, फिर उसके अगले दिन करेंगे, फिर पता लगेगा अगले, फिर बहुत मुश्किल होगा, ठीक है? So immediately हाथों हाथ से कर लो आप, ठीक है?
Yeah.
What is it? हेतल का है, एक सेकेंड. Okay. Hetal, beautiful chair, yaar. Hello, Hetal, are you there?
She was. पहले तो आई थी morning में.
ये बहुत खूबसूरत चेयर है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत चेयर.
She's not there. She's got disconnected.
Okay, no worries. ठीक है. ठीक है. चलो ठीक है. When she comes, then we'll talk about it. But it's good. आरती गुप्ता मैम. किधर है आरती गुप्ता मैम? Where is it?
Sir, even mine is not checked.
एक
सर
सेकंड.
या 4th नंबर होगा सर उसके ऊपर.
अरे बाबा एक मिनट, आप मेरी स्क्रीन देख रहे हैं ना?
सर
सारे लोग.
नाम से पहले है, मिश्रा से पहले है इनका.
मिश्रा से पहले आरती को, इससे पहले ये.
हाँ मुझसे पहले और ऊपर है.
तो, अच्छा ये इससे पहले आ गया क्या? मीटिंग वाले से पहले?
नहीं.
सर
वही तो मैं
मीटिंग के
कह-
बाद होगा नीचे.
अरे एक मिनट, आप
Meeting
एक
के
मिनट, आप सारे के सारे मेरी स्क्रीन देख पा रहे हैं? आरती गुप्ता मैम
Yes.
आप देख पा रहे हैं? ठीक है. पल्लवी ने ये मेरे को कल भेजा था, उसके बाद मेरे पास ये है, उसके बाद गुड आफ्टरनून मैम ये मिशा का है, उसके बाद स्वाति का है,
So
ठीक है.
mine is also missing.
So
हाँ तो
mine
आप,
is also
I
missing.
have also sent.
तो मैं वही कह रहा हूँ मेरे पास नहीं है. यू सी, अब मैं ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने किसी को उसमें डिलीट किया है, ऐसा नहीं है. ये रहा.
There's a there. I think maybe you missed out on the group somewhere because मेरे को दिख रहे हैं दोनों.
मेरे पास नहीं है. दैट एग्जैक्टली मैं कह रहा हूँ, मेरे पास नहीं है.
आरती का भी दिख रहा है, सैंड्रा का भी दिख रहा है और स्वर्णिमा का भी दिख रहा है.
After Swarnima, I sent. Then Aarti ma'am sent.
should we resend it or something?
प्लीज हाँ रीसेंड कर दो ना, उसमें क्या है, मेरे को फॉरवर्ड कर दो अभी, उसमें कितनी देर है. बट आई एम सरप्राइज्ड कि अगर ऐसा कुछ है तो क्यों हुआ. इट्स वेरी स्ट्रेंज कि मेरे पास नहीं है 3 लोगों का. तो उससे क्या होगा, इन केस कोई इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज होगा तो शायद मैं मिस कर जाऊंगा इस तरीके से.
आपके मैसेज आ रहा है, योर सिक्योरिटी कोड विद समथिंग हैज चेंज, मे बी दैट्स व्हाई, बिकॉज़ इसके बाद थे वो.
रीसेंड कर दिया है या नीचे
कैसे मेरे को अब क्या करेंगे, योर सिक्योरिटी कोड विद,
आई डोंट नो बिकॉज़ वी आर नॉट गेटिंग दिस मैसेज. आप ही क्या आ रहा है?
तो ये क्या करूं, इसको मैं क्लिक कर दूं?
नहीं इस पे कुछ नहीं है.
Okay.
Little bit like that. हाँ, वो
चलो
नीचे
छोड़िए
आ-
ना, मैं नीचे देख लेता हूँ यहाँ. सैंड्रा, आरती गुप्ता मैम और ये स्वर्णिमा. ठीक है, लेट्स सी दिस. Okay.
So this is what you told me to work on.
Yes. So now.
So that this the next one.
हाँ, but when I said simplify.
This is the original. This is simplify.
Ah. You know, I'm saying because the shape is becoming very prominent now, you know, the shape.
Okay.
Maybe you would like to have it more simpler in terms of. Just a minute. Okay, so possible for you to have this shape, you know, maybe you take it like this only from here and take it till here, till the last.
Okay.
Okay, till the last, and don't give like a fan, wing of a fan, you know, fin of a fan. Don't give like this. Just give one thickness throughout, the way you make your wall.
Okay.
Okay, so it will be much more easier.
Okay.
Right, and maybe you would like to reduce this a bit. This
okay, length, the width.
Width you would like to reduce a bit.
Yes.
Okay, this one.
Okay.
Okay. So you can scoop it up. I mean, you would reduce it. Maybe you can scoop it up. You can take this much of a portion from here, as like this, you know, like an L shape.
Okay.
Take it.
I'll do 2-3 more combinations. Sir.
Just check it out, you know. Take it.
So what about the 2-point perspectives? I have done that, sir.
Oh, sorry. I haven't seen it. Just a minute. Neha, what time is this appointment?
Yes, sir. This was a little raw, and then the next one. The next slide has a little darker. There are 2 beams inside.
Not beams, they are columns.
Okay, columns.
Beams are the one which are on the top, you know.
Okay. Yes. So above the window is a beam.
The one which is going like this,
Yes.
you know, this one.
Yes.
These are called the beams. And if these columns, they are round, then it becomes pillar.
Yes. I tried, sir, what I could understand. Have I got it okay or made some mistake? Because I tried to take the points from the door and the windows and take it to the vanishing point.
What is the height of your window out here, if I ask you?
Window was 5 feet, sir.
ठीक है, more or less. ठीक है, I think it's fine. Yeah, I can understand that you have taken care of the scale.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Aarti Gupta ma'am, it's yours.
Yes, sir.
Good. So this you have taken a select one. ठीक है. मैडम आप स्केल को यूज नहीं करते क्या आरती मैम?
No, this was actually freehand because freehand.
नहीं कर उसको ना मतलब इट्स बेटर टू प्रेजेंट इन अ गुड मैनर तो उसके लिए आप एक काम कीजिए, आप इसको थोड़ा सा उसमें कर लीजिए, स्केल में कर लेना, ठीक है, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं, तो वो अच्छा लगेगा स्केल वगैरह यूज करके। इसको आप एक काम कीजिए, अभी जैसे आपने ऊपर से टॉप से लिया ना इसको, अभी आप इसका जो 2 पॉइंट पर्सपेक्टिव जैसे दिखाया ना आपको, जो जैसे हम अपना ये बना रहे थे रूम वाला जो हमने बनाया हुआ है, राइट, द वे यू हैव सीन द प्रेजेंटेशंस इन द मॉर्निंग हाउ इट हैज बीन डन, सो टेक इट इन द सेम मैनर नाउ, ठीक है। एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट मेक इट मोर सिंप्लीफाई, लाइक हाउ डू यू डू दिस, you remove this wall from here, this wall, yahan se leke this wall, remove this one, okay, remove this one.
Yeah, after seeing those presentations I realized there should be some more simplification in the
correct. So what happens, you will have 3 to 4 main elements and rest will be then the joining elements will be there, like some kind of a beam is attaching with other one, or maybe some kind of a bridge is connecting with other, or maybe some staircase is going from one element to the another one, bigger one, or there will be some kind of an amphitheater which is covering underneath. So that's how you can add those values in the space. Those are the value additions.
2-3 variations can be made in this.
हाँ, so मतलब ठीक है ना, अभी I think so what you do, make 2-3 variations of the same.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's see how we go about it.
Right.
ठीक है, good. Or next, is there something else? Okay, 1 point perspective. Okay. Okay, ठीक है. Swarnima.
So finally, sir, we can't see the lower.
Oh, wait. Swarnima, this looks very interesting, huh? The first one. I'm just talking about the interesting part.
Yes.
I mean, they're looking very, looks very much like a sculpture,
But not what we actually wanted. So I just tried it.
Correct. So, I mean, it is more going towards the sculpture approach, okay, rather than the space approach.
Yeah.
Right. So we need to look into that. And for that, what we need to do, we need to change our strategy of depicting these elements.
Yeah.
So firstly, if this happens to be our those elements, okay, so change our viewpoint, okay, viewpoint from the bottom and see how it maybe you would like to have from here.
Yeah.
Viewpoint from here, take it from here so that you get to see maximum area. Understood?
Yeah.
Take it from here. Take it from here and see in both the direction. Like, so you get to see, maybe then if you do a cutout kind of a thing out here, maybe a long cutout, so you will get to see this bottom as well. Or maybe if it is a lower height and it is a higher height, bigger height, so you will get to see some portion of this as well. So that's how you will have a play out of the height. Okay, RPS, is it fine? What I'm saying? Okay, so in case you want, you always can help Swarnima. Okay.
Yeah, I'll need some help in this.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said, So maybe you both can talk to each other. Okay, and it will be good to have your interaction regarding this. Okay, so this is one part. Interesting. I like this one. It's quite interesting. Whatever it is. Oh, what is this?
This I just tried as a task, like if we can give to students just to try.
Okay. You know what? I don't know. I'm just telling you people. It is nothing. What I will tell you. It is not not an assignment. It is nothing. Okay. It is just for yourself. For yourself. Okay. In case you want to have some kind of a collage of your compositions which you have made, 5, 4, 6, whatever. Okay. You can cut those, put it in one paper. Okay, maybe A3 size, A4, whatever the size is, depending if you have taken all A5 sizes, so you will have A2 size or something. Okay, so you take these collages, stick one up next to each other, all these compositions. Okay, so you'll get one frame with all the composition. You put it on plain white paper, okay, ivory paper or something, and then put a frame around it, and it becomes a nice wall painting for you. And it will be with you throughout that you did some work. So it is a painting as well. I mean, it really would, it looks nice. Think over it. Take it.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so just give me a sec. Okay, let me check.
तो ये पहले वाला किया था. Then I saw your slides and then I corrected myself right now, like I was doing the pencil sketching.
हाँ, देखा फर्क पड़ा ना, देखो एकदम से. The one which was on the right hand side, which was more looking like a sculpture, suddenly it has become like a space the moment you did the left one. See?
Yeah, yeah.
आरती गुप्ता मैम क्या बोलते हैं? Swarnima?
Thing has changed completely.
है ना? It is, see how it has been changed. It's like a magic. Immediately it got changed. So ठीक है, that's you are going. Yeah, you are getting into the correct direction, Aarti.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है ना, करो इसको थोड़ा और refine करो, थोड़ा और ठीक करो. ठीक है?
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Good, good. I'm happy that you could get it. Okay. Okay, let's see. It's just nothing. It's just a small understanding. Where the hell it is? I'm so sorry. स्टॉप करना पड़ेगा. क्या आपको आवाज आ रही है सबको? हेलो हेलो.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes, yes.
करना पड़ेगा.
क्या करना पड़ेगा?
शेयर करने से पहले आपको साउंड ऑन करना पड़ेगा अगर वीडियो है तो, फिर शेयर, फिर आवाज आएगी.
नहीं, आपको आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही? क्योंकि आप तो नहीं, मैंने तो वही किया है.
No sir. No.
अरे मालूम,
हाँ,
मैंने
हाँ.
वही किया, मैंने किया था.
एक हल्का सा साउंड आया.
एक मिनट मैं करता हूँ. वेट अ मिनट, एक सेकंड. ये देखो, ये मैंने किया हुआ है. ओके, शेयर. ठीक है, मेरा स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है अभी?
हाँ जी.
Yes sir.
साउंड आया?
अब आ रहा है.
Yes.
ठीक है. Okay. So अभी तक क्या दिख रहा है हमें यहाँ पे? What are we seeing?
So,
Hello?
Layout
So-
and elevation.
yes.
Front elevation.
Front elevation. So basically something like a thumbnail which is being made, something like a composition which is being made, if I put it like this way, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And something like some composition, some elements which have been put together, okay? And
Yeah.
that's how then they are emerging as a front elevation, front view, or the elevation, or the plan view, whatever, okay? But it's basically everything is like getting synchronized with the plan and the front view. Both of them are getting synchronized, okay?
Yes.
So now the same thing will get reflected in the three-dimensional view, okay?
Okay.
The one which we are supposed to do. So it is the same, exactly the same pattern. It's the same method which we are doing. Out here, it's being done by a very professional people, someone who's an architect, okay? But the process remains the same. So while we are telling this to student who's in foundation, so that's why he will be taking it from the elements, going on to the larger picture. And once he takes the specialization of interior design or the architecture, okay, or the landscape architecture or whatever, then he will be getting into this kind of, process of depicting his skills. But that's a later part. But the basic DNA remains the same. Okay, this is mainly to understand from all of us.
So your mic is muted.
I'm saying, so how was it? It was good.
Beautiful. Very beautiful.
I mean, that's what the strength of, this sketching and, freehand drawing is. So, I mean, that's the first, I always keep saying that the 3D modeling software is basically to beautify your ideas, to do the value addition. But the very first thing which happens, something which gets conceived here, the medium of putting it together onto the paper, instantly it happens with your visualization power. Not only visualization power in the conceiving, but at the same time depicting as well. Both the things have to go simultaneously. Brain to the shoulder, to your elbow, to your hand, to the finger, and on the pen to the paper. So that is the entire journey. Each and every line has got a meaning to it. And it is getting corresponding to your plan or the front view in the 3-dimensional view, which is he was making the 2-point perspective kinds. And there's not an inch it was here and there. It was very clear. He was very clear in his thoughts. That architect, right? Correct. So similarly, what I'm trying to establish out here is that with those composition which you have made, okay, so each and every, while you are putting it, how small, how big it should be, why this wall is going to go like that, because you need to understand it when it is to be taken to the 3-dimensional view, what will happen there, how will it behave. Okay, so your thinking should start parallelly from the same while you are putting it down one shape onto the paper, that how it is going to be transformed as a form in the 3-dimensional view. Only then the justification happens. And if you have seen how this gentleman here put his human scale over there, the moment he put the human scale, he was very much, it's a last nail on the coffin, very clear. What is the scale? What is the size of this house? So there is not a single, any kind of a doubt for anyone. So this is the thing which I'm looking from you people. Okay, at least anyway, this is a very professional one, but approach remains the same. So while you are putting it on the paper, your elements, especially of the composition, and you do your explorations, and with the final one, okay, which you do. And finally, then what you do, you take it to the 3-dimensional, so that elements, how they are forming the space. And then later on, we will do the value addition into it if it is required. Okay? Is it clear now? Is it much more clearer today, like after seeing the presentation and clear? Okay. Anyone has got any question can ask me, because I've got another 10 minutes. So if you do not have any question, let me know. Next.
So one last question. Okay.
Please, please. For 10 minutes, I'm here. No worries. 10 minutes, because after that I need to
tried the composition. Right now, you saw that I tried in that, but because in a base, like it was roughly made, there was no perspective angle being taken.
No worries. No worries.
Making the final one, is it that we can make it in isometric or we can make it in 2-point? Because the presentation right now, what you showed, it was made, 3D module was made on 2-point perspective. So is it that we have to make this on 2-point, or we can make it on isometric, or we can just make it on 1-point also? So is it the specific, or we can do it on our own?
See, it is always better to make it, see, as I told you, we use almost like 80 to 90%, we use the 2-point perspective.
Okay.
Okay, it is advisable.
Okay.
Advisable in sense, because you get to see more depth of the, because if you do 1 point, so what happens, you just see right in the center, but while you are doing 2-point perspective, so you get to see top, the 2 sides, and the top also you can see, there.
Okay.
Or the bottom also you can see, whichever. I mean, you get to see more of its clarity. That's what it is.
Okay, fine.
Isometric way you can do, but isometric is more got to do with the technical tool. Right now I'm not looking, because one will definitely do it. If someone is in architecture, will definitely do the isometric only, nothing else. But out here, if it is just a visualization, getting accustomed to the space, so You can use your tool, you can use your freehand drawing, whichever you want, you know. I mean, isometric in the sense, perspective. I'm talking about the perspective.
Okay, fine.
So use your tool. Basically, you can use the scale and all. Okay, not that you cannot.
Fine.
Hmm.
Done.
Okay, but not necessarily that you have to make on 45-degree angle as an isometry or 30-degree angle. ऐसा नहीं है. ठीक है?
Sure.
Anyone else? Pooja, you were showing me something, I guess. You were saying that some shading, something you've done, some objects you've done like that. ऐसा कुछ था ना? So is Pooja around? No.
Pooja is here.
Okay. So why she is not speaking up? Pooja, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You were saying like, shall I go on your presentation? Because you were saying you want me to talk about your some objects which you made, right?
Yeah.
So let me just finish today itself, since I've got 10 minutes. Can you see my screen?
No, sir.
No, you cannot? Okay, just hold on for a while.
Now, yes. Yeah, these objects.
So what do you want to say in that?
I just tried what you had taught in the first class, that glass bowl and all those things.
Glass bowl and all, yeah, correct. Okay.
I was just trying. I just wanted to show you whether it's correct or no. Like.
Fine. There you need to understand, like, you know, this. Aarti, yes, you want to say something about this?
I didn't get the question only, sorry.
No, I'm saying anything which you would like to comment about this, or any kind of, you know, feedback on this. Or maybe I would rather ask.
So maybe little shape is like little gone wrong somewhere on the circular part. And shading of the lightness where the light is actually falling is little less. Maybe that can be little more lighter, and the actual the mid tone and the dark tone can be more darker. So you know where exactly the light is coming from. I think it's one tone only.
First of all, see what happens. I think, Pooja, you need to understand. If you remember the coin study which we did, coin. Can you see that? Look, if you recall that coin study, so according to that, it should be more roundish. It cannot be like this shape, because it is more of a like an elliptical shape. It is an elliptical shape. It is not a round shape. This is considered as a round shape. This is little still looking like a round, right? But this is not round. So you make the round shape, okay? And the bottom which is there, it will be more roundish, because this coin has been taken down. Okay, this round shape has been taken down. So this will be more in the round shape, more of a round shape, right? Like this. And then, as Aarti clearly mentioned and correctly pointed out, since you are giving a shade out here, see, you don't have to give so many shades, no need. See, sometimes in actuality, you see, okay, sometimes you need to edit yourself also to make it much more comprehensive to the onlooker, because I have not seen your space where you have kept it and drawn it, right? So I will be perceiving it exactly the same way, the way you will want me to do the same, right?
Yes.
So I'm the onlooker on your mercy. It's like that.
Okay.
Right. So what you need to do, you need to, first of all, it is looking very broad in the bottom. It is narrow in the top, broad in the bottom. No, it should be a straight line. This one part.
Yes.
Secondly, if your shadow is coming here, the shadow looks very incomplete kinds, because there are sharp lines. No.
Okay.
Okay, so make it complete.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Shadow cannot come from here.
Okay, sir.
Shadow will come somewhere from this side, at this point, this half at least, you know.
Okay, sir.
At least from this point. Are you getting a point? From this
Yes,
point,
sir.
it will go here and like go like this, whichever way. Then I said that just leave a kind of a highlighter out here, which gives a sense of that object is resting on the floor. Okay.
Okay.
Then make this portion little darker. And this will be lighter. The reason, because I am expecting that light is coming from this area.
Yes, correct.
Okay, so this will be lighter.
Mhm.
Correct?
Yes.
So these are few things which you need to
Okay,
look
sir.
into.
Yeah.
ठीक है, इसको राउंड करो थोड़ा सा और ज्यादा राउंड करो.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
ठीक है. You play around mostly with the round shapes, huh?
I tried.
ठीक है. You can choose some other objects as well. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Now this is a very interesting object to actually. So I would suggest first to do one thing. You don't do any shading out there. Don't do any shading. Just put one straight line, and then make all the circles, because there are so many circles around this.
Yes.
There's so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At least 10 circles I can see.
Okay, sir.
And believe me, these circles, this is the perfect study for you to implement that coin study out here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. तो after once your product is done, believe me, I'm telling you, this shading is, it's just a beautification. It's like a cosmetic. If your armature is good, okay, it's just a matter of wrapping it around, nothing else. But the armature needs to be corrected. Absolutely. So work upon that. Your 80% is the armature.
Okay, sir.
In the drawing.
Yes.
Take it?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay then. Anything else?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.